Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hassan IT Tricks. Please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Today I will discuss about Microsoft Office applications, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, updation error 142. When I start PowerPoint, it displays Office update window. I wait for some time, but Office update not start, and it display another window. This application was unable to start correctly and show error 142. Then I start search on Google for that error and I came to know two solutions. First solution: go to Start menu, search System Configuration and click on Services. Then tick all the boxes and not tick this checkbox. Then click Disable All button, Apply and OK. After click on OK, it displays System Restart window. Now restart your system. After successfully restart the system, the error which you facing will be removed. If the error remains same, then you need to apply the second method. Second method: go to Start menu, search Control panel, click on Programs and then click on Programs and Features. Now search your program. Here my Office program is that. It can be of different version. Select it. Then click on Change. Now click the Yes button. Now click on Quick Repair. Then click on Repair button. It start repairing your Office application. It takes some time. After done repairing, you can now close this window and start your application. I hope the error will remove. Tell me in comments which method worked correctly. Thanks for watching. For more informative video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.